Hey traders! I've got some exciting news that's got me feeling really upbeat right now. Bittensor is up 6% in the last 24 hours, trading around $265, and the volume coming in looks fantastic. I can't help but feel a spark of optimism here. It's the kind of movement that just puts a smile on your face. Now the big question, are we at the start of a brand new bullish momentum? Or is this just a little tease before a pullback? Either way, it's such a thrill watching this unfold. We just posted our latest analysis, key support levels, upside targets, all of it, over on our Patreon page. And honestly, I'm so happy with how it turned out. If you're curious, the tester plan is only $10, and it's a great way to see if our strategy fits your trading style. I feel so good sharing this with you. Link is in the description below. And as always, please do your own research. This is not financial advice.